will tell you about how to change a wallpaper of laptop screen. Come here, type here to search. Come here, click here, and this is you can search background images, and this is background images. Click here and open the setting, and you want to paste by laptop's wallpaper. Click here, and this is plug. Then you can cross it. This is fix it. Then you want to paste your painting. Go back in background images, and this is browse, BROWSE. Click here, and this is picture. I want this picture. I click here, and this is option clear and choose picture. You can touch on choose picture and look here, this is plug. Then you can fix it again. Guys, this is my third video. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Bye bye.